Have you ever seen words like LOL, DM, or FOMO online and had no idea what they meant?
Don't worry. Today, we're decoding all the popular social media slang and expressions you must know.
From funny acronyms to trendy Gen Z phrases, we've got you covered.
Stay with us till the end, and you'll sound like a native when chatting online or texting your friends. Hey, Sarah, I was scrolling through Instagram and saw a comment that said, "This pic is lit." What does lit even mean?
Lit means something is amazing or really cool, like that party was lit.
Oh, I get it. So it's like saying awesome.
Exactly. It's one of the most common slang words people use online.
Interesting. I also see people writing LOL all the time.
That one's classic. It means laugh out loud. It shows you found something funny.
Oh, like when someone sends a meme and you reply LOL?
Yep. Or you can say LMAO, which means laughing my ass off.
Ha, that's a strong version. I'll stick with LOL.
Good idea. It's polite and easy.
What about DM? I always see people say, DM me for details.
That means direct message. It's like saying, send me a private message.
Oh, I see. So if I say DM me on Instagram, I mean message me privately.
Exactly. That's how influencers talk to followers.
And what's FOMO?
That stands for fear of missing out. It's when you feel bad because others are having fun without you.
Oh, yeah. Like when everyone's at a party and you're stuck at home.
Exactly. You can say, I have FOMO seeing everyone's vacation photos.
That's funny, but true. What about TBT? I see that hashtag a lot.
It means Throwback Thursday. People post old photos with that tag, usually on Thursdays.
Oh, so if I post an old travel photo, I can write hashtag TBT?
Yes, that's perfect.
What about GOAT? I saw someone call a singer the GOAT.
That means greatest of all time. It's a big compliment.
Wow, so I can say Michael Jackson is the GOAT.
Exactly. That's a perfect example.
I've also seen ICYMC on Twitter. What does that mean?
It means in case you missed it. It's used to share old posts or updates again.
Oh, that's clever. Like ICYMC, here's our latest episode.
Yes, that's how creators use it.
And what about BTW? I think that one's easy.
Yes, BTW means by the way. It's used to add something casually.
Like BTW, you look great today.
Perfect. You sound fluent already.
Thanks, I'm learning fast. What about BRB?
That means be right back. You use it when you're leaving a chat for a minute.
Got it. And TTYL?
That's talk to you later. It's like saying goodbye online.
Nice. These are so useful for texting.
Exactly. They make online chats faster and more fun.
What's SMH? I saw it in a comment once.
It means shaking my head. People use it when they're disappointed or can't believe something.
Oh, like SMH. I can't believe he did that.
That's right. You nailed it.
And IDK?
That's I don't know. A simple and very common one.
And IMO?
It means in my opinion. Like, in my opinion, that movie was great.
Cool. These shortcuts save so much time.
They do, but remember to use them casually, not in formal rating.
Definitely. No LOL in my office emails.
Please don't.
What's BFF? I know that one from school.
Yes, best friends forever. It's super common among teenagers.
Right. And what about OMG?
That means, oh my God. It's used when you're surprised or shocked.
Like, oh my God, that's amazing.
Exactly. That's one of the oldest internet slang words.
I also hear people say cringe. What does that mean?
Cringe means something awkward or embarrassing, like, that video was so cringe.
Oh, I get it. So it's kind of negative.
Yes, but it's often used in a funny way.
And what's flex? I heard someone say he's flexing this new car.
Flex means showing off, like she's flexing her new shoes.
Haha, that's a cool one.
It is. What about sus?
I think it means suspicious, right?
Yes, like that deal sounds sus.
Haha, so short and smart.
Exactly. Social media slang is all about speed.
Do you know what vibe check means?
Oh, yes. It means checking someone's mood or energy. Like, she passed the vibe check.
Haha, I like that one.
There's also low key and high key.
What's that?
Low key means secretly or quietly, and high key means openly or obviously.
Oh, so I low-key want a pizza means I secretly want one.
Yes, and I high key love this song means I really love it.
That's actually fun to use.
It makes English more expressive, doesn't it?
Definitely. It helps you sound natural online.
And connects you with younger people, especially on TikTok or Instagram.
True. So what's your favorite slang word?
I think vibe is my favorite. It's so positive.
Yeah, good vibes only. That's everywhere on social media.
Exactly. It means stay positive and chill.
I love that phrase. It's simple but powerful.
Same here. And if you ever see new slang online, just look it up. English keeps evolving.
That's so true. Social media changes language faster than books.
Exactly. That's why it's great for learners to stay updated.
So, friends, which slang word do you use most?
Comment below with your favorite one.
And don't forget to practice them in real life too.
Yes, the more you use them, the more natural you'll sound.
Thanks for joining us in today's episode.
Keep learning, keep vibing, and see you next time.
Peace out, everyone.